Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify checkout settings for no-code product pages step by step clearly. To update your Shopify checkout settings for no-code product pages, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Checkout in the settings menu. In the checkout settings, you will see various options to customize your checkout process. Review the Customer Accounts section to choose whether you want to require accounts, allow accounts, or disable accounts entirely. Scroll down to the Order Processing section. Here, you can decide whether to enable the option to automatically fulfill orders or require manual fulfillment. Next, check the Checkout Language section to ensure the language suits your target audience. If you wish to customize the order confirmation page, look for the Order Status page section. You can add scripts or custom tracking here, which will help you integrate your analytics and marketing tools. Next, locate the Email Marketing section to allow customers to opt in for updates and promotions. Proceed to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right corner of the page. After updating your checkout settings, head over to the Online Store section in the main menu. From there, select Themes to access the theme editor. Click on the Customize button next to your active theme. In the theme editor, navigate to the Products section. Here, you'll be able to customize how your product pages appear without writing any code. Adjust the layout, images, and descriptions to enhance the user experience. Once you've made all necessary changes to your product pages, click the Publish button to make your updates live. Finally, navigate back to your checkout settings to review all your changes and ensure everything functions as intended. Your Shopify checkout settings are now updated for no-code product pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.